Assalamualaikum everyone. Basahin ko lang tong comment ni Sis Luz Martinez. May asawa akong Pakistani pero dapat ma-meet mo ang family niyang una. Pag hindi kayo pinakilala sa family, hindi totoo yan, seryoso siya sa'yo. So yun ang sabi ni sister. Well, for me, it's not guarantee, to be honest. My personal experience, it's not guaranteed that you can keep your man if he will introduce you to first wife or even to the whole family of him. It's not guaranteed. Believe me or not, my ex, I meet every one of his family. Every day we are calling on the group and different people. And he said that that is his family. You know what? You cannot keep a man. You meet all his family, the first wife, you cannot keep the man. You give everything you have, you give effort, you give love, you give everything. It can't keep the man. Okay? Only one thing, you can keep the man if the man he want to be kept. Alam nyo ba yun? I saw a lot of videos saying that the sign that your Pakistani is serious when you meet his family. But for my personal experience, believe me or not, kaibigan ko yung unang asawa ng ex ko. Until now, she is my number one supporter. Unang asawa ng ex ko na nakilala ko, pinakilala niya sa akin, nag-usap kami, nag-away kami nung una, at the end of the day, naging magkaibigan kami. Believe me or not, iniwan pa rin niya ako. Alam din yan ng ano ko ngayon, ng Pakistani ko ngayon. So, you cannot keep a man. Pag siguro hindi para sa'yo, hindi talaga para sa'yo. Kahit makilala mo pa ang buong angkan niya. So, I don't know. It's my personal experience na, ang dami kasi nagsasabi na, number one sign na you should meet his family, dapat makilala mo. But for me, dun sa ex ko na sobra akong nasaktan, nakilala ko lahat. Kaya akala ko totoo na yun, pero hindi. Nagtagal lang kami ng 2 years.